Welcome everyone to trigonometric identities. Let us see what is trigonometric identities. In simple words, we can say an equation involving trigonometric ratio of an angle theta is a trigonometric identities if LHS, that is left hand side of the equation, is equal to right hand side of an equation for all values of theta. For example, your tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is a trigonometric identity as it is this equation holds true for each value of your theta. Generally we talk about standard values because we know those values: 30 degree, 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and the rest of the values we can get it from the trigonometric table. Here we are going to see the fundamental trigonometric identities. The first three fundamental trigonometric identities are: number 1, sin square theta. Your sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us see its proof, how it can be proved. We can say you can make a triangle here, right angle triangle, and this is your angle theta. As you know, your side opposite to theta is your perpendicular, and this is your adjacent side. This is your adjacent side, and this is the longest side is your hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. You can label the triangle, that is A, B, C, and this is your 90 degree. यहाँ पे हम लोग प्रूफ करेंगे इस रिजल्ट को: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and this method is also known as your geometric method. Let us see how can we work out. यहाँ पे देखिए कि आपका LHS term है. This is your LHS term. So you can take here LHS is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin theta from this triangle? That is BC square, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is BC square upon AC square. Okay. And what about cos theta square? That is AB square upon AC square. Take the LCM, it will be here AC square upon BC square plus AB square. You know, in right angle triangle, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So this becomes your AC square upon AC square, and this is equal to 1. So this is how we can prove by geometric method our first fundamental identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In the same way, let us see our second identity, that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here also you can say your left hand side is your sec square theta. So you know what is sec square theta. You can just keep here your left hand side is equal to cos theta is AB upon AC. So what will be sec square theta? That is sec square theta is equal to AC square upon AB square. And let us see the right hand side. Your right hand side 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus what is tan square theta? BC square upon AB square, that is BC square upon AB square. Take the LCM, it will be AB square plus BC square upon AB square. So you can see that AB square plus BC square is equal to your AC square upon AB square. So you can see that this LHS is equal to RHS, and therefore the second fundamental theorem of identity, trigonometric identity, holds. Okay. Now let us move on to the third one. Your third identity is cosec square. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So your LHS is equal to cosec square theta. What is sin theta? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what will be cosec? The reciprocal of that is AC square upon BC square. This is LHS. Now we can work out RHS. Your RHS is 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Now 1 plus cot square theta, that is 1. tan theta आपको मालूम है BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AB स्क्वायर था, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा आपका AB स्क्वायर अपॉन BC स्क्वायर. आपने LCM लिया है, ये आपका BC स्क्वायर and this is your BC square plus AB square. This is equal to AC square upon BC square. So you have seen that LHS is equal to RHS. In this way, we have seen how the three fundamental identities, trigonometric identities, can be proved by the help of geometric method. Anyhow, for this first identity, you have to prove it with the geometric method only. But there is a choice for the second and for the third. Let us see how. Your second identity, I am going to prove by another method. You can see here. Your second identity, okay, that is, you can see here. Second and third, both are having the other alternative method to prove this one. सेकेंड में आप देखिए, आपका है sec स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा. आपका sec स्क्वायर थीटा कितना हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर थीटा, और इसको आप लिख लीजिए LHS. ये आपका हो गया LHS. इसी तरीके से आप RHS वर्कआउट कर लीजिए. RHS हो जाएगा 1 प्लस tan थीटा आपका होता है sin थीटा अपॉन cos, ये हो जाएगा sin स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन cos स्क्वायर थीटा. And here you can take the LCM, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta upon cos square theta. That is again 1 upon cos square theta. We have used the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. और यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते थे 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. You can do with this method, पर आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी को इस मेथड से नहीं कर सकते, बाकी द रेस्ट टू यू कैन फॉलो. इसी तरीके से आपका जो थर्ड फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटी, दैट कैन बी, वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम RHS, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज 1 प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन sin स्क्वायर थीटा. टेक द LCM, ये आपका हो जाएगा sin स्क्वायर थीटा plus cos square theta upon sin square theta, and this is equal to 1 upon sin square theta, and this is equal to your cosec square theta. आप देखिए हम लोगों ने RHS से शुरू किया था और ये आपका हो गया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So you have seen the alternative way of proving the second fundamental and third fundamental identity. After that, you just see we have got another derived ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज जो आपके इस फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटीज से डिराइव की गई है. सबसे फर्स्ट आपकी है साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. यू कैन सी हियर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ये आपकी मेन आइडेंटिटी है, इससे आप निकाल सकते हैं. इससे एक आपका हो जाएगा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, और यहीं से आपका हो जाएगा कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. All these three identities can be worked out with the help of geometric method, that is by making the triangle and proving them. Similarly, we have got the second one, that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. यहाँ से आपका ये आपकी सेकेंड मेन आइडेंटिटी है. यहाँ से हो जाएगा आपका tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, और आपका ये हो जाएगा tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, and one more identity which you can get, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. ये आपकी दो derived identity है. In the same way you can get from the third also, that is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot स्क्वायर थीटा. यहाँ से आपका cot स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा cosec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1, एंड वन मोर आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज cosec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस cot स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ये आपकी डिराइव्ड आइडेंटिटीज हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटीज। ये आइडेंटिटीज सारे वैल्यूज फॉर ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ थीटा LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you.